Hi guys, it's Phil here. So in this video what I'm going to be showing you is how to use modifiers on different shapes. It's just going to be a simple demonstration of how to actually set a modifier up and kind of giving you an example of what you can actually do. So what we're going to start with is by grabbing a cube, just straight and simple, and if you move to the right from the cube you've got this little bent curved shape. So if we click on that it'll give you the bend, and if we click and hold it, it'll give you the full list of the different ones that we can use. So we're going to work with the bend first off, and all we're going to do is click and drag it into the cube so that the cube is the parent of the bend. And then all we've got to do is click fit to parent, and that'll change the size to exactly around the cube, so it only affects that cube and nothing else. So what we can do now is increase the strength, and what you'll notice straight away is that it's gone straight instead of actually curving. And that's because if we go into our cube, we don't actually have any we've only got one segment, so it doesn't actually have any movement to curve around with it. So if we actually put this up to a number like 70, you'll notice it curves around straight away because it's got all those little points to actually move around with, and if we in it you can instantly see it. So we can add that to all the other ones so that if we was to go into the bend and change the angle, it'll actually still curve round in the other directions as well as just the one to the right. And of course if we wanted to keyframe it, all we'd have to do is press the circle on the side, you've got your little keyframe there, drag it across and then rechange your number and press the keyframe again, and what you'll notice is it'll do it like that. You can do this with any shape, it's dead simple. I've done a few other examples here. So if we go to Untitled 4, we've got a shatter here, and what you'll notice is I've already keyframed it up, so when you press play it automatically makes the object shatter. And of course you've got all your different settings for each individual one which you can change around as you would like. So if we go to Untitled 3, we've got melt here. So if we go back to the beginning, usually when you import the melt it will be up here on absolute 0 of the whole area within your workspace. And what you'll notice is that affects it so that only half of your cube is affected and not the rest of it. So all you got to do, click on your melt and drag it down, and the rest of it will appear and melt as and when. With this one we've actually got a noise scale as well, and what that noise is you see the ripples on the top of the cube. That is literally the noise affecting that to make the different ripples. But yeah, that's basically it, and it's exactly the same setup and layout for all the other ones. So you can give that a try if you would like. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below and we'll start answering those questions as soon as possible. Thanks again.